Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial video I will show you the best website you can find to download PSVITA games for Vita3k emulator. So before we dig in the website, you have to find the playable games, so you don't have to download games from the website and find out that they don't run. So to avoid that, you need to find your favorite game and check if it is playable or not. For example, I will find Borderline. It's a small game, so we can try. I mean Badland, not Borderline. So Badland, it is a playable game. Remember the ID, it is 69. We will find the game in the website. By the way, this is a archive page, so in order to see and download this, you need to sign up in the website. Otherwise, you will find the website looks like that. You cannot click on anything. You will see this lock right here. You cannot download at all. So to bypass that and download the games, you need to sign up. Click sign up for free and enter your email and name and password. You can just click on your Google account like that and sign up. And just like that, we are in. I will go back to the page. Now I can download anything I want. You can see there is no lock right here. So now I will find the game, the Badland game. This is the game. I will click it just like that. And it's almost done. You can see. Now that we have the game, we will go directly to Vita3k. I will not show you how to configure the emulator. You can find that anywhere on YouTube. I'm just gonna show you that the games of the website I showed you is running well. So this is the emulator. I'm gonna close this. You can see that I already have some games. I already have the Badland game. I don't know if we can add it. I just click file and install zip. Select file. So you'll be directed to download folder. Click on the three dots here and search by and modify newest first, so you can put this in order. You can see here the Badland game. Click on it and it is actually installing. So you can see that it's already done. It is the same. That's the way. It is the same actually. So there we are, have the game. Let's check the time. This is the newest first, is this, I guess. Click on it and start. Okay.